So today, we're gonna do some Muay Thai. If you know anything about me, which you probably don't because this is going on the internet, I used to train Muay Thai. That was like live, well, sleep, eat, train. That was like a thing for like a good amount of years. And I was actively competing. And yeah, I was just super fucking active, and all I thought about was fighting. And then now that I have this job, it's not like that anymore. But I still make time to try to train here and there. I do want to compete again, but with competing comes with a shitload of time. If you ever competed in anything, in any kind of sport, you literally gotta dedicate basically half your life to the craft that you're trying to perfect. But of course, being an adult means work gets in the way, and bills, and everything else that has to do with growing up. So everybody say hi to Lily. She's in Dublin, Ireland. Say hi. Woohoo! My bad. I skipped some parts because Lily called, but we are here. About to take the truck. You're probably thinking why the fuck my keychain is pink. My girl left it there, and fuck it. I don't want to take it off. Oh! Yeah. Hey, can I get the best puncher right here? No. Actually, can I get manners? And honesty. Oh, best kick. Yes, best kick. Best blocks.
Oh, you know it's Mark Talbot, baby. Welcome to Take Muay Thai 1561 West Whittier Boulevard. Come through. You want to learn about the best? Come to me, baby.
Oh, yeah, I've been on this guy for about since we're in third grade. I'm 33 now. So is he. Yeah, we've basically gone through everything you can possibly imagine. Ups, downs, arguments, not talking to each other for years. But yes, but now we're here. About to make more magic again, baby.
I better chill out right now. Come on. Two. Together. Oh, God. Come on. 2. 3. Come on. 5. What's up? Elbow.
Straight.
Yeah.
Straight.
Fuck.
Straight.
Yeah.
Elbow.
Yeah.
Elbow.
Yeah.
Elbow.
Yeah.
Knee.
Yeah.
Up.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
Elbow.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
Knee.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
What?
Oh.
What?
Ah fuck.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back.
Oh, you're cramping. God, I thought you injured yourself.
I thought you pulled something.
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
I thought you ripped something.
Look at it.
See, we're getting old.
Oh my God.
Few minutes later.
And we're back. So go ahead, continue with what you were saying, bro.
So how you tear your ACL? You're hitting pads. It's weird. That shit's scary though.
So our worst fear right now is tearing an ACL while hitting pads because that just sounds scary.
I just cramped up for the third time.
Yeah, it's the first time I've ever seen that happen to this guy at least. Well, to anybody, fuck that. I don't remember anybody.
I never seen anyone cramp up like this before. Like, did she do that?
Yeah, it's just a sign of us getting older.
Fuck. Fuse that shit.
So if you're in Whittier, California, check out Tank Muay Thai.
Or La Habra.
Cabra.
La Habra.
Oh, what'd I say?
1561 West Whittier Boulevard. Tank Muay Thai. Hit that, baby.
And just like that, it's over. Oh my God, that was very tiring, to be honest. It's pretty hot down here in La Habra. It says 67, but it legit feels like it's at least 75. But it's hot, I need to cool down. I'm about to sit here for a little bit. I'm gonna head back home, edit these vlogs, eat, go to the gym because I feel nice and loose now. My arms don't feel as sore as they did. Yeah, man, I miss Muay Thai. I miss being able to compete. I miss seeing my friends, my teammates. I miss the whole aspect of it, and the whole family part about it. But yeah, I live really far away from this gym. I live about an hour, 2 hours with traffic, 2.5 hours with traffic, so it's really hard to make it out here. So it's nice that I'm able to pull up on them on the weekend when it works for me. But yeah, so I'm gonna head back, have some food. It's only 2 o'clock. It's gonna take an hour and a half just to get back home. God damn. It takes an hour to get here, an hour and a half to get back. But yeah, not good, man, not good. I do like the scenery though. Yep, I chose salmon. So I'm going to, what else I gotta do today? That's about it for today, really. I'm probably gonna go for a run later today, or tonight at the gym, then lift a little bit, and then after that, probably edit this video. And I don't feel like putting regular gym stuff on a vlog, because that's feels very weird to me. I think it's weird when people, well, it's not weird, but I think it's weird for me to do it because I ain't buff, man. I'm not like, yeah. No, I'm not. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I feel pretty productive for today. See y'all next time, man.